AP Cram Calculus AB Free Response Exam Review. Question 47, Definite Integral, Finding a Net Amount. On a certain workday, the rate in tons per hour at which unprocessed gravel arrives at a gravel processing plant is modeled by G of t is equivalent to 90 plus 45, the cosine of t squared over 18, where t is measured in hours and t is either greater than or equivalent to 0 hours or less than or equivalent to 8 hours. At the beginning of the workday, that is when t is equivalent to 0 hours, the plant has 500 tons of unprocessed gravel. During the hours of operation, between 0 and 8 hours, the plant processes gravel at a constant rate of 100 tons per hour. Find the total amount of unprocessed gravel that arrives at the plant during the hours of operation on this workday. I'll give you a moment to think about your answer. It's really straightforward. Solving this riddle basically just takes realizing that the rate at which gravel arrives over a time interval, integrating that amount gives the net amount of gravel that actually arrived at over the time interval. And we're told that G of t models the rate in tons per hour at which unprocessed gravel arrives at the gravel processing plant. So that means we would have to integrate between 0 and 8 hours, a normal workday at this plant, to find out the net amount of gravel that arrived over this particular workday. So basically, we have to integrate G of t between 0 and 8 hours dt. And that basically becomes the integral from 0 to 8 of 90 plus 45, the cosine of t squared over 18 dt. Now, unless your teacher is really intense, they wouldn't normally give you a trig function that contains a variable raised to a power higher than 1, because that's going to involve something called the Fresnel integral, which is really extended and complicated. So what you're actually to do is just plug this into your calculator and get the answer for the definite integral between 0 and 8. Okay, so on the AP exam, that's what you are to do. If this is an in-class exam, and you're given this type of problem in college, I'm pretty sure your teacher is going to allow you to use the calculator, unless they're just really intense, okay? Which most pretend to be, but they're really not. So the answer when you plug this good old dandy integral into your calculator is 825.551. All right, therefore the integral from 0 to 8 of g t dt equals 825.551 tons. That's how you express this answer in the context of this problem. So the total amount of unprocessed gravel that arrives during the hours of operation is a little over 8 tons. Okay? All right.